Hello, I'm Andrew, and today I'll be talking about PICO's LED standard blade fuse blocks and how to use it. Let me start by discussing what it's made of. The LED fuse block's cover is a transparent polyvinyl chloride. The housing base is a black polybutene terephthalate. The push button is a white polyoxymethylene, and the terminals are tin-plated copper. The temperature rating on this fuse block is minus 20 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. The LED standard blade fuse block offers many solutions. It's easy to install and adds up to 6 circuits to any system. The fuse block has handy LED indicators that will go off when a fuse has blown. It also comes with a dust cover to have the protection necessary for your equipment. The LED indicator light allows you to quickly diagnose which fuse has blown. The fuse box have fitted studs for the power feed. These units can handle up to 30 amps per circuit with a maximum of overall 100 amps. I'd like to share with you a demonstration. We need the following item for this demonstration. We need the LED standard blade fuse block, and we need a power source. When installing the fuse block, remember that any exposure to water can damage most electrical equipment. Hence, ensure you place the fuse block in a low moisture environment. Also, always mount the fuse block onto a flat surface. So for this demonstration, what I've done is I've hooked up the fuse block to a power source. These quick connects, which are protected by the fuses, normally would go off to an auxiliary device such as a fan or a light. But to make this demonstration a little easier, what I've done is I've got an alligator clip that will close the circuit once connected to the quick connect. So let's start. With the first fuse here, we can see that it is blown via the LED light. I'll remove the fuse, and the light's still going off because it's still showing as a blown fuse because the circuit is not being closed. I'm going to replace that with a new fuse, and the light goes off because everything is good. Let's move on to the second fuse. Good. The third fuse. Good. We'll go to the fourth. Oh, and we've got another blown one. So let's replace it with another good fuse. Light goes off, everything's good. The fifth fuse. Good. Finally, the sixth fuse is blown as well. We'll remove that and replace it with a good fuse. The LED indicators make finding a blown switch really easy and really quick to change and correct. Thank you for watching this demonstration. The largest market segment coverage of top quality products is now at your fingertips. Connect with PICO today.